Do you find it challenging to maintain a healthy weight? Tried lots of restrictive diets that were just nearly impossible to maintain? You're not alone. This is actually an increasingly common issue in the United States, with approximately 60% of the US population struggling to maintain a healthy weight. The reasons this may be a concern is because overweight is associated with numerous chronic health issues like high blood pressure and heart disease and diabetes. Hi, I'm Alison Acerra, registered dietitian with MedShadow. Now, it's important to highlight that not all people who are overweight and unhealthy are at risk of these conditions, and not all people who may carry a so-called healthy weight aren't at risk. That said, it can be a determining factor. So let's dive into some of the main culprits. One major culprit is the prevalence of processed foods in our diets. These often contain high levels of sugars, unhealthy fats, preservatives. And if we think about how they can contribute to weight gain, it's because processed foods can lead to overconsumption of calories, as they're often low in nutrients but high in these empty calories. They're highly palatable, they taste great, but actually they can lead to overconsumption over time. Number 2, stress is the silent weight gain trigger. Chronic stress can lead to emotional eating and inhibited food choices. And so when we think about stress, it's really related to the release of cortisol, a hormone that can increase appetite and lead to cravings for sugary and fatty foods that can ultimately contribute to weight gain. Number 3 is sleep. So are you getting enough shut-eye? Because lack of sleep is more than just a mood disruptor. It actually plays a significant role in weight management. Sleep deprivation can disrupt hormones that regulate hunger and fullness that lead to increased cravings for these unhealthy foods that can lead to weight gain. And number 4, staying hydrated. It's not just about quenching your thirst. Dehydration can have surprising effects on our weight. So sometimes our bodies can confuse thirst with hunger. So staying adequately hydrated helps control appetite and can support overall health. What can we do about it? It's important to limit, obviously, these processed foods, find ways to cope and manage stress, get enough quality sleep each night, and drink enough fluids. But you might be wondering, what do I eat? So I love to recommend the Mediterranean diet pattern as a terrific model for how we can select foods that really can support a healthy weight and just overall reduce our risk for chronic health issues and support our longevity and overall well-being. A Mediterranean diet can reduce inflammation, support healthy digestion, provide lots of fiber and nutrients that will help manage hunger and cravings. So the principles of Mediterranean diet include, lots of wonderful fruits and vegetables, berries, tomatoes, citrus fruits, getting in all kinds of great color that way. Lots of good whole grains, such as whole wheat, brown rice, quinoa, barley. These are going to be high fiber and help keep our blood sugars more stable and also help to manage those cravings. Legumes are wonderful. Lean proteins are wonderful. Plant-based proteins are wonderful. Nuts and seeds have all kinds of wonderful healthy oils that support our heart health and also can help reduce inflammation. And also lots of spices and herbs that make our food taste wonderful. They have lots of really wonderful components in them that help support our overall health. So as a recap, when it comes to maintaining a weight that feels right for you, consider focusing on eliminating those processed foods, incorporating stress management techniques, getting better sleep, hydrating, and incorporating principles of the Mediterranean diet. So thanks for watching. And as always, let us know if you have any questions in the comments. Thank you.